This is the Phoenix, Arizona weather discussion for Wednesday, the 8th of September. I'm Michael Groff. 7 years ago today, Phoenix established its all-time daily rainfall record with 3.3 inches, and some parts of the metro had between 5 and 6 inches of rain. But nothing like that around here today. In fact, no meaningful rain chances anytime soon. The primary concern for our weather will be the heat, and that will continue at least into the first half of next week. Let's talk about it first. Yesterday, 105 degrees was the afternoon high, 87 the morning low, the normal high 103, the normal low 81. Taking a look outside now at 8:15 a.m., clear sky around the valley, 88 degrees at Sky Harbor, dew point at 65, relative humidity 46%. The winds are light and the barometer is rising. Checking out the weather pattern across the country, troughing in the east, and a big ridge is the dominant feature out here in the west, and that's what's causing our hot temperatures. And ordinarily, a ridge sitting to the north of us and an easterly flow over Arizona would bring in moisture. Unfortunately, much of that moisture is staying to the south of us. We see these complexes of showers and thunderstorms that fire up each afternoon and evening over northern Mexico, and those have served to send in some low-level moisture, some higher humidity into the area. But rain chances will stay mostly to the south of us, right along the international border and over far southern Arizona. Here's the watch warning map, and out here across the west, it's the same old story. Red flag warnings, high fire danger, air quality alerts, and with that high pressure area sitting overhead, we've got excessive heat warnings over the Mojave Desert. And in Phoenix, an excessive heat watch from 10 a.m. tomorrow morning through 8 p.m. tomorrow evening. And also we have an air quality alert for today. The convective outlook for today, a risk of severe storms over the eastern seaboard, across parts of Florida with a tropical system, over sections of Texas, and to the south of us here in Arizona. We've got that level 1 out of 5 marginal risk in those areas in darker green from far eastern Yuma County into parts of southwest Maricopa, Pinal, and Pima counties, pretty close to Tucson down to Nogales. Ajo is in there, and just south of Gila Bend. Yes, scattered thunderstorms possible today, and a few of those could get on the strong side, producing some gusty winds, but again, those are expected to stay to the south of us with a mainly easterly steering flow. They'll stay pretty close to the international border. Taking a look at the tropics, a couple of areas of note here. We've got that wave out over the Gulf of Mexico. It's starting to get better organized, and the National Hurricane Center giving that a 50% chance of development as it continues to move to the northeast. More than likely, if it develops, it would probably be once it gets out into the Atlantic. The consequence for the United States, just some periods of rain across parts of Florida and Georgia, nothing significant there. And then we've still got old Larry out there over the central Atlantic, continuing to move to the north, and this will be accelerating with time. In fact, by late in the weekend, this will be pretty close to Greenland as a post-tropical system. The precipitation outlook, this is valid through next Wednesday morning from the WPC. Rain amounts in Phoenix, nothing. Statewide, not much. A little rain down there by the international border, and that's going to be just about it, as any monsoon activity will be very hard to find for the next several days. We'll get into what's going on with this weather pattern in more detail as we dive into modeling. Here we go. This is the GFS. It's the 06Z run, valid at 2 o'clock this afternoon. Very strong high pressure continues to sit to the north of us, an easterly flow over Arizona. Some moisture on the periphery of this ridge. So, for us down at the surface today, sunny and hot, highs 103 to 107. Widely scattered showers and thunderstorms over far southern Arizona, well south of the valley, and a few of those storms could pack a punch with some gusty winds. Tonight, clear sky, overnight lows in the upper 70s to middle 80s. And then tomorrow, sunny and hot, highs 104 to 108. And again, a few showers and storms possible across far southern Arizona, maybe in the deserts of southeast California, but otherwise the story just continues to be the heat. On Friday, the ridge will begin to move to the south and east, eventually setting up over New Mexico, and temperatures here might back off a degree or two, highs 102 to 106 for both Friday and Saturday, but each day the sky remains sunny, the air mass relatively dry. As for Sunday, the GFS shows the ridge sliding back toward the west, getting closer to us once more. So temperatures could warm up a couple of degrees, right around 105 to 109. This might be the warmest day of the forecast period for us. Then going into next week, this run of the GFS shows the ridge kind of meandering around the southwest, and not quite as strong as it is right now, but still temperatures would be above average if this is correct. A couple of degrees either side of 105 for both Monday and Tuesday. Then a week from today, this is Wednesday the 15th, and now we see a ridge still over the west, and a disturbance or inverted trough moving around it here, maybe bringing some widely scattered showers and thunderstorms across eastern Arizona. But confidence in this solution or any one solution out here rather low, as model spread has really grown for much of next week. Then as we go out 10 days, this is Friday the 17th, the GFS has a big ridge in the east and a trough moving into the west, with a little short wave coming in here, maybe a continuation of showers and thunderstorms if that verifies. But look at the European at the same time, an opposite solution. It's got a trough in the east and a 597 ridge out here in the west. If that verified, we'd be sizzling. High temperatures around 107 to 110, maybe hotter than that over the deserts of southeast California and southwest Arizona, with absolutely no precipitation in sight. And looking at rainfall for Phoenix over the next couple of weeks coming off of the GFS ensemble, not very optimistic. There are quite a few members that show no rain at all, even those that do. Not a lot. The ensemble mean under 1/4 inch. And temperatures off the national blend of models staying above average for at least the next week or so, and then we trend down maybe to around 100 or maybe even just under the century mark way out there toward the end of the period. And that's going to do it for the Phoenix, Arizona weather discussion for today. My next video back here tomorrow morning. If you enjoy these videos, be sure to subscribe, like, share, and click that notification bell so that whenever a brand new video is posted, you'll get the notice. Your comments, questions, and suggestions, they are always encouraged as well. I thank you so much for watching. It is always appreciated. You guys be safe, stay cool, stay hydrated out there, watch your kids around the swimming pool, and have yourselves a beautiful Wednesday.